early, and so was Noor Ali in the first over. Then not many big contributions. 36 of 28 coming from Yunus and Shinwari. There was a partnership building. 32 of 31 when Yunus and then Azmatullah joined the forces. Once Azmatullah was dismissed, no bigger partnership barring that Sharifi and Karoti contributing 22 of 12.
Yes, that partnership can be crucial. Here we take a look at the bowling card. Daulat Zadran, the star. 3 wickets for him in an all-important match, the big stage, the final. Ibrahim bowling well as well, taking 1 wicket. He did his job pretty well. Shapur couldn't complete his over, unfortunately. Noor Ahmad took a wicket of the very first ball of his last over.
So Shapur Zadran winning the toss and inviting the opposition in. What was the expectation from the batting unit? Scoring runs, and that's how it started. Then anticlimax, 2 wickets from the first over. 2 wickets from the first over of different types of deliveries. One with the short of length region and then the full delivery trapping Noor Ali Zadran in front. Daulat Zadran was on fire to begin with. He was pumped up. And then the partnership started to flourish, but not for long. He has the knack of taking wickets, trapping the batsman in front. Slow that finger coming up to signal the end of the batsman. 3 wickets early. And then some classy shots through the offside.
Yes, Samiullah Shinwari playing some of those brilliant shots. He was expected to go till the end. Samiullah Shinwari, brilliant on drive there. 1-1. Siddiq Qatal trying to play some shots as well. But lost his wickets there.
So then that run out changed everything. Missed out on a couple of opportunities. Then Shinwari looking to attack the spinner when some toppage is flying to the boundary through the onside, and then sweeping it from well outside the off stump when it was required. He produced the wicket, and that's why the wrist spinners have always been game-changing bowlers. Then taking him down the ground. So Azmatullah was looking good before. He sliced one, trying to hit it down the ground. And then another fantastic shot attempted was held on the boundary ropes, slicing it, and was taken very well on the boundary ropes. And then trying to go for the big booming shot was set up nicely and was dismissed. And was caught. So trying to dribble it through the offside. And then shot through the onside. Much needed shot attempted. Shot through the onside. And then a superb shot attempted down the ground, and he was successful. Then bowled to complete that over. Was that the right decision? Yes, it was. And then the wicket coming in the final over. Noor Ahmad once again with the wicket. Wicket caught on the boundary. All out inside 20 overs.
Only 139 to lift the title for the second time.
Tremendous day out for the young captain. He promised optimistic cricket at the beginning of the game. Good crowd, tremendous entertainment. What a show. What a show it's been. All the bowlers responding. All the bowlers responding, defending a wicket total on this wicket. What a tremendous performance. They selected a young leader to lead, successful to defend this target, winning by 9 runs.
A wonderful game of cricket played today once again. Let's walk you through the highlights. Shahzad Mohammadi came into bat together with Bahar Shinwari. Great catch taken by Sharifi, sending Bahar Shinwari for making no runs. Then a few hits from the plate of Shahzad Mohammadi. He hit Hasibullah for 3 boundaries. This was the stylish of all. And then on the 4th occasion gave a cage to the gloves, safe gloves of Rahmanullah Gurbaz. After that, Shahidi came into bat but could not get his form like the other days. Ghamai Zadran also gave some momentum into the game, but Shahidi lost his wicket to Azmatullah Omarzai.
Fabulous bowling under pressure to deliver those wickets, and they've been absolutely superlative with their effort in the field. Also, the fielding was good. Some shots explored, the partnership was generated, and then looking to hit it down the ground, he was successful in getting us a boundary, then the AG boundary through to the third man region. They had the fieldsman in place, then find the fielder. That's where the game changed. That's where the game changed. The width was given a bit of extra bounce. It was tricky surface to bat on. The left-arm spinner was put under pressure by hitting boundary early on into his spell. Then a full toss which was hit into the gap through the offside, and then continuing to launch it big time through the onside. He was held on the boundary, and that's where the hopes arrived for the team, and then knocking the left-hand batsman over, and then trying to go for the big shot through the onside. He managed to find connection. 6 was generated. The hope arrived again for the team Misanek Knights, but it didn't last long as the batsman was caught on the boundary ropes. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Good intensity in the field. Defending a meager total, and then fabulous work, great understanding and awareness from Azmatullah into the final over. Then the 6 of the very first, again changing the complexion. Then what happened? Look at this one. The run out was important there, and that's what he does. Direct hit from the deep, and that's where they've been so good. They've been so good with the direct hits. The fielding was outstanding. Then trying to work through the offside. That's where he was fielded. There was a fumble, and then there was a run out. Then there was a run out, and that's how the game ended eventually. So IUB Kabul Eagles, the champions for 2020 SCL for the second time. Jubilation, young captain and delivering home the win. So that's the match summary. 139 after put into bat the Eagles in the chase night.